Draw the top view of a square prism of which the base edges are equally inclined to VP. XY line. Mark the point randomly at a 50 mm distance. Then set it at a 45 degree so that we can draw speedily thus the square is available of which the base sides are equally inclined to VP. Take this as a B, C, D. So this will indicate the position of axis height. Let it be the 60 mm. And through this draw this line, then complete the front view. Initially the front view should be the very faint because we have to locate the cutting plane. This is 60 mm and this dimension is a Now locate the cutting plane which bisect the axis and let it incline at a 60 degree. So set line at a 60 degree. So this is a line of a 60 degree. There is a mark on this frame and 60 degree mark on protractor scale, and draw the center line or a section plane line. Before this, locate the points in front view: A dash, B dash, D dash, and this is a C dash. Now locate the point where this section plane cuts the given square pyramid. Now this section plane cuts this line at this point. If you observe, this is a front view of a bottom base. Now this cutting plane cuts at this point, means it cuts this bottom edge AD and bottom edge AB. So this is a point 1. Let this section plane cuts at the top base to the base edge BC and base edge DC. Let this point mark as a 2. Now this section plane cuts these vertical edges, edge B and D. So mark this as a point B and this as a point D. Now transfer these points in top view to draw the sectional top view. Set it at a 0 degree angle again and draw these vertical downward projections. This is the vertical downward projections. So this one will be the here point 1, So point 1, this is a point 2 and point 2. Now this points lies on a vertical edge B and D, so this will be the point B and this will be the point D. So for sectional top view we have to consider these points. So this one, this, and in this way we have to draw the sectional top view. The sectional top view will appear as like this one. Now simply we have to draw the section plane, which are hatching lines which are inclined at a 45-degree in top view to represent the sectional top view. So draw these lines. Be careful that all these lines should be equispaced and the distance between these lines should be approximately 2 to 3 mm. To control the line thickness and darkness, little bit rotate the pencil in this way so that all lines should be of a uniform thickness and darkness should be maintained. Thus in this way the sectional top view is completed. So this is a sectional top view. Now to draw the sectional true shape of the given section, so draw the projection lines passing through these cutting points. This projection line should be the perpendicular to the section plane line. Now as this true shape is a symmetrical, this is symmetrical about this diagonal AC, so draw this line very faint. As this sectional top view is a symmetrical about this diagonal, and this diagonal AC is a parallel to XY. So draw a line and this line should be the parallel to this one, and draw this, label it as a x1 y1. Now locate the points for the sectional top view. Now we have to mark these points in this view. So take the distance in compass. As this lies on this one, and mark it here. So you will get this and this point. So this is a point 1, this is a point 1. Now mark this point. So take this distance in compass. As this lies on here, and pick up this projection line and mark the point here. So this will be the point D, and this is the point B. Now next is the point 2. So point 2 lies on here, so we have to shift this distance on this projection line. So take this distance in compass and mark it here. So this is a point 2. Now join all these points. Now we have to draw the section line or hatching line to indicate its sectional true shape. So go here. Thus the true shape is completed. So label it as a TS. Thus the solution is completed.